Dan, as you know, I did spend an enormous amount of time and effort as Secretary of State, both devising and executing what we ended up calling a pivot to Asia, because I thought it was important for our country to be focused more on that part of the world where so much of the future is going to be determined. And the idea behind that was multifaceted. It was about strategic interests, it was about political interests, it was certainly about commercial and economic interests, and I think that's still the case. As I said yesterday, I believe that with the vote on Friday, the President has an opportunity to reach out to the Democratic caucus in the House, in particular to Leader Pelosi, to see whether there could not be a chance to use that as leverage to create some of the changes that have been asked for by people who are concerned about what is in the current draft of the TPP. I support that because in my book, Hard Choices, I said I had some questions about the dispute settlement provisions. I don't think you're at all walking away from or ignoring the economic and commercial aspects of our pivot by saying we want the best possible deal for the American people. And I've said from the very beginning that I would judge the TPP on whether it protected American workers, whether it raised wages, and whether it was good for our national security. And therefore, I hope that we can see this time as one to take advantage of and try to make it stronger on behalf of our country. I will judge the final product. In the past, I have voted for trade agreements that I thought were good for America, and I have voted against trade agreements that I thought were not good for America. And I will judge what's in the final agreement, but I hope that it can be made better.